Hi guys, welcome back. We are here with another episode of Bigg Boss 10 Friday night. We saw first time Bani J being the first captain of the house. She was ruling the house, trying to play the perfect captain. She chose some people to punish, some people for advantage. I have with me Arushi. She will tell us more. So Arushi, how did you like her play as the first captain of the house?
Well, I'm a bit confused about what role she's playing and what is her game plan, because we saw her punishing Lopamudra and Manveer to wash the utensils.
Yeah.
I can still understand Lopa's punishment because we all know the reason that she has some fights with her. But Manveer, because in last week only we saw her tagging him as the most handsome man in the house. But don't forget, she played her goody role. She said that even I'll not have my food until and unless these people will have food.
She was trying to be the pacifier, but again she also chose Manu and Swami. She sent them to the jail. Initially she chose Manu and Mona, but then Bigg Boss taunted her and said that आप इनको घूमने नहीं भेज रहे हैं. Then that's when she chose Manu and Swami. Swami we might know because of his entire antics in the house, and we know that Bani doesn't really like him. But why Manu? Because just a while back she chose Manu for the sumptuous meal, that advantage of having good nice meal with him. But then again, that's the exact thing that we are really confused, or we really don't know how Bani, maybe she's trying to play that confused card.
I think that this is exactly what her game plan is.
That
first go and be goody with the people, and then again go and play her actual real game.
But I'm liking it. Finally she's into the game, trying, even if it's confused, even if it's she's trying to be partial or trying to be selfish, but I think that's all the game is about, and I'm happy to see that she is back into the game. As the captain of the house, she knows her ways, and I think it will be an interesting week to see. Secondly, there was another interesting thing that happened in the house, was Swami Om apologizing to Mona.
Swami Om not just apologizing, Swami Om apologizing from Mona by touching her feet. Don't miss that part. He is being his dramatic self once again, because he's feeling, I think, cornered from everybody. So to get back into action, he wants to get back with the commoners. Team. And he even asked Mona to convince Manoj to forgive him.
Because Monday is not far off. I think he's scared of being nominated, so I think he's trying to
pacify what wrong he has done.
Then there was a game that the Bigg Boss played by dividing all the contestants in two teams. Apparently, Bani's team, which also had Gaurav, Nitibha, and
the second team is, I suppose, includes Naveen. But the sad part is that Naveen gets injured during the task, and he had to move out. He had to be rushed to the hospital.
So considering Bani's and Gaurav's team won, but because Naveen got injured, and today we have the Weekend Ka Vaar weekend episode, we really don't know if Naveen will get evicted. He is nominated, but if his injury will lead him outside the house, or there will be somebody else who will walk out. For that we need to wait and watch. Salman Khan is back again with another episode this Saturday, so let's stay tuned and see what happens next. Keep watching Bigg Boss.